We are going to Anambra today. Anambra, Imo Owerri. Anyway, OHA soup today are for the Anambrians and the Owerians. We are making OHA soup today. Basically, for a while now, I've been visiting the Igbo land. Kudos to the ancestors of the Igbos. I learned during the war that these our vegetables were discovered: OHA leaf, afang leaf, okazi, otazi, uziza. But anyway, guys, today is for OHA soup. And what do we have here? What are we to prepare is our OHA soup. We are using our Cameroon pepper, our protein, any other protein of your choice you want to use, dole, and that's how we'll say. This is our achi. This is the odogo of them all. Some people use cocoyam powder, but this I'm using achi today to get the right OHA consistency. OHA consistency is what you use, achi. We have our crayfish, prawn, smoked one. The other odogo of them all, the game changer, is this ogiri Igbo. We have the one for the Jebus use, the ogiri Jebu. That one is mostly put in the leaf, but since we don't get innovative ideas lately, they have still put inside the container. But basically, it should be in the leaf before. Like I said in one of my videos, my video where I made white soup, ofe nsala. This is OHA. So what's just different from this ofe nsala and this OHA soup? Just difference is just the leaf, but the whole processes start to finish is just the leaf that's different. But trust me, like the same process. Ofe nsala is cocoyam, and this one is just the OHA leaves. All right, guys, and the achi. Sorry. So we have our stockfish, our lemi. It's becoming a hit, becoming a popular thing in the household now. Our lemi fish, our seasoning cube, going to make us proud one day, and our leaf. This leaf here, guys, you don't slice it. This is how you do it, like so. You just use your hand to cut it into two, because there's the belief that by the Igbos, I don't know the logic behind it, but like use your knife to cut it, it becomes bitter. So what you have to do, just do it like so. You pick a few and just twist it and dump in your soup, and that's it. You don't slice it. And of course, our meat stock. So anyway, guys, let's get right into the soup of the day. And people, what is the first thing to start with? You on your matches, you on your fire. I've not been so bam. Number one step. So guys, normally I've done my protein because of time. I don't want the video to be too long, so going straight to the point. Though normal regular, when you want to cook your OHA, just use your meat and start up. But me, because I boiled my meat already, I'm adding my meat stock into the pot pack. So guys, I'm adding my protein now. Normally, if I had to have cooked the thing from the onset for you guys to see, I would have had to put it in my pot. So just trying to show you step by step on how I do this my OHA soup. So I'm going to add all my protein. We're adding our lemi fish. All protein are basically going to enter this our pot of soup now. Guys, quick one here. Our stock, which is the base, that's what gives this our OHA white soup, ofe nsala, ofe onugbu, ofe OHA. That's what gives it this very, very authentic Igbo thick taste. Our stockfish. You could use stockfish head too, but I'm just using the flakes today. Let's add water. This is the water that we'll use to cook the whole soup. Like I said earlier, if you were to be that I boiled the meat from the onset, I wouldn't have had to add water. Like what you have seen so far, guys, this will also like, share, subscribe, and importantly, put on your notification button. So when I post a video, you'll be the first to know. You'll miss on our goodies, on our content, on our delicacies. I'll be showing you here back to back. 2025, no grief for anybody. We go show and say Oli, up about with Oli. They can't pay. All right, guys. I have a mixture of Cameroon pepper and crayfish. Like I always tell you guys, Cameroon pepper is it for me. I use it in all my soups. It ups the game of my taste. Cameroon pepper, the yellow pepper that has turned to. This is oh my god! We all know yellow pepper. I don't know what they call it in English, but this is Cameroon pepper that has turned to Cameroon pepper rather. The Igbo stuff is too hard. Pepper, the grounded one that has been dried. Forget what I say. Forget what I mean. Igbo is hard though. Guys. So why my meat stock, all my proteins, you know what I mean, is boiling in the pot over there. I'm going to be mixing my red oil into my achi. This is how I do my own mix, so that it doesn't have any seed. I'm going to put oil in it, freshly tasty oil, and stir to a paste. This will go into the boiling water in about 3 to 1 minute. This is how I get the consistency. Because if you were to put it directly into the water, you might start having lumps. So I preferably like to stir to a paste before I put in my water. And I'm equally going to be doing my ogiri Igbo. The smell is you don't want to know, guys, but this is what makes it very tasty, trust me. So I'm careful not to let my hands touch it, because trust me, guys, I'll be able to sleep this night. This is about 5 in the evening, so just imagine me smelling this and think I will sleep. I don't think so, guys. You know what else made, what's the funny thing, oh lo lo lo, what is just making me laugh? When I was much younger, when my mom makes this soup, I was very, very, very angry that this woman safe. How will this what is smelling so much in our food? Must you use this thing? When she told me to open it, I threw it at the dustbin, and she never used to know. She said, "Obey, it's not tasting. Clearly, it's not sweet to money." The mischievous girl in me, man knows I don't throw inside the dustbin. Look at me using it now. Now I have the understanding that without this ogiri Igbo, your soup no be now OHA be that, no be OHA be that. This is the bunga of all them all. Just goes to show you that this is our life. When we become mothers, we start having sense. Things we do were things we do were very little childish stuffs. So funny. So I like to just dissolve my ogiri Igbo. Some people say Igbo. What is the right pronunciation, guys? Let the Igbo folks let me know in the comments section. Korede, come. Close your eyes. Close. I'll show you something. Close your eyes. Surprise. Just come. One more step. It's not the chicken. It's not chicken. But you can chop the soup. This is what makes the soup sweet. You don't know. I got you right there. So, guys, I'm putting my ogiri Igbo inside the soup. So just to avoid sand too, you don't put the isale. What is isale? What is isale in English? Yonda. Sabi. And you stir. So see now the soup has been brought to a boil now. Look at the consistency. So I'll be adding my achi now. No waste zone here, so I'm going to rinse the spoon inside the boiling water. This is our achi mixed in red oil. So it looks very watery now, but in the next 3, 2, 1 minutes, it's going to have the consistency. It's going to be thick. So it depends on how thick you want it to be. So guys, all I have to just do now is I'm applying my OHA leaf now. I just cut it in my hands. I don't use a knife, like I said, to make it bitter, like they always say. So I just use my hand to cut it into two. Our soup is actually ready, guys. Our OHA soup, straight from Anambra, straight from Imo. What other soup do you know that Igbos make? Have, own, claim? Let me know in the comment section. That they have with their full chests, uncontested. So guys, let's taste it.
Can I be the judge?
You wanna be the judge?
Siam. Sisemia. Kwan.
She already went away from the ogi that I was smelling, and it tastes my soup now. See yourself?
Oh, I've added it.
Yes, now. Yeah. But did it show there? Yes, I told you. That's the cocoa of your OHA soup.
I like the soup.
I know now.
Can I have one more spoon?
Come on, go from there. You're already from the smell. Shall I take it, baby?
Oh, yeah. Independent television. AIT.
Yeah, come and taste it. Beg.
Yeah.
Is that how they open hand for soup? Oh, don't waste my time. If you don't want to leave that place, I beg.
Calm down.
Oh, see him.
She will lick the hand down.
Load it. I better drop my spoon. So guys, our OHA soup is ready. Like what you see? What will you be having this correct Anambra OHA soup with? Your semo, your pounded yam, your fufu. Tell me in the comment section. As for me, what I have with this soup, I don't know yet. You tell me. I'll wait to see your comments in the section and see what you have to say. Alright guys, bon appetit.